Hey everybody, welcome back. Special Monday video. In 4 weeks, I'm going to be turning 62. And because of that, there have been a lot of questions from family and friends of what I'm most excited about when it comes to skincare products that really over-deliver when it comes to anti-aging and making your skin look great. That's a very fair question. So taking a look at 2025 and what was the most surprisingly effective product that I reviewed and shared with you on the channel is a Carboxy Therapy for the face and neck that delivers super quick results that are pretty amazing that come in a tube that looks like this. But don't worry if you missed that video. We're about to jump right into that review so you can learn about this product and find out why it was the most surprising find of last year. A mask that takes 10 to 15 years off the look of your skin in 15 minutes might be hard to believe, but I'm going to show you how this little known ingredient actually does that all in today's video. Now, I don't know about you, but I love anything that's going to make my skin look better quickly, like the same day, almost instantly. And of course, as a 38-year skincare expert, I do love my skincare products, my skincare ingredients, all of those things very important in maintaining a healthy complexion, especially like me, someone at 61. But there are some amazing express formula products that can really make a difference in how your skin looks. This is one of those therapies called Carboxy Therapy. Now, I've seen a lot of products on the market lately that do this type of therapy on the skin, but this one by NSC Professional, and no, this video is not sponsored, it's something I bought and I'm using myself, provides some additional benefits for the face and neck that many of those other carboxy treatments don't really do. This one contains ceramides that are very important for your skin's lipid layer, helping to improve moisture balance and to keep that moisture in your skin. Amino acids, which I talk about, are very important, the building blocks of collagen and keeping your skin cells healthier longer. And because of my holistic background, I love the fact that it contains botanical extracts that are both soothing and antioxidant in nature for your skin. So to understand how this works, Carboxy Therapy is a CO2 therapy that infuses the upper layers of your skin with carbon dioxide without the use of machinery or needles or any kind of injections. What that does is speed up your superficial circulation. It helps break down dark patches and age spots. It can increase the suppleness, elasticity, thickness, if you will, of your skin by 30% per treatment. Balances out oil production for those of you with oily or acne-prone skin, dissolving impurities and blockages in your pores and actually reducing the look of large pores, even improving the look of acne scars and the first signs of photoaging. So really nothing to lose by doing a series of these treatments as they build on each other. This particular kit provides 5 treatments. So you want to do a treatment every 2 to 3 days, the first 3 of them, with the last 2 treatments 5 days apart, making a total of 5 treatments. And no worries, I know what you're seeing here looks like a syringe, but there's no needle. This is just made for easy application to the skin. So I'm going to apply the product and we're going to do the treatment here on the channel. You need to leave this on your skin 10 to 15 minutes. So of course I'm going to time lapse out and I'm going to sit here for 15 minutes while we wait, but I want you to take a really good look at my skin now before I apply it. And then we're going to take a look at my skin after I apply it with all that increased circulation and how much brighter, more hydrated and elastic my skin looks. So let's apply this product to the skin. Now you can do this on your fingers if you want to, or you can apply it directly from the syringe to the skin. Either way, you're going to have to use your fingertips to spread the product across your skin. And you want to be generous. You want to use this entire syringe up. You want a thick layer of this gel, avoiding the eye areas. You don't want it on your eyelids. You don't want it in your eyes. So you want to be careful. Make sure you get the area near the ears where we all get that sun damage and wrinkling. And then of course the neck area as well. I'm going to make sure it gets through my beard hair to my skin. So I'm treating all of my skin. The nose and the upper lip as well. Again, a very, very thick layer of this needs to go on and you'll see why in just a moment. Nice and thick layer. Don't worry, it won't droop down into your eyes. It does sit very still. And I'm already feeling the tingle, but now for the second step that comes with this particular kit is a woven fabric sheet mask that you're going to apply and press into the gel, making sure not to squish it out from the edges. You just want this mask to stick. Same thing for the neck area. And what this does is hold the gel in place, keep it moist and active on your skin. We're gonna leave it on for 15 minutes. Then we're going to wash it off and come back and look and see how my skin looks. All right, it's been 15 minutes. We're going to peel all this off. And I'm gonna rinse this off with warm water. As you can see, my skin looks tighter, my complexion much more even. The pores are just not even there. You can't even see them anymore. And there's a slight pink flush from the effects of the CO2, which is normal. Now, the next step, I wanna preserve this super hydration and elasticity my skin has received from that treatment. I'm going to apply a facial skincare oil specially designed to help brighten and lighten the complexion, reduce the formation of melanin pockets or age spots. And the product that I really like to use for this after this treatment is the Rose Glo Oil by GloMelanin. I've done a full review on this oil. I'll put a link to that down below in the video description box. But it contains vitamin E, grapeseed oil, argan oil, rosehip oil, and sea buckthorn, all of which ingredients are amazing antioxidant, super hydrating ingredients for all skin types and all skin tones. So I'm going to just apply a few drops of this oil on top. Lightly massage this oil in. This oil is perfectly fine for the upper eyelids. Just don't get it in your eyes. Same for my neck area. It only takes a few drops of their oil to do this. This oil is one of my favorite nighttime oils. I just love this brand. You can actually even see the petals of the rose buds that they include in this formulation. Just a fabulous skincare company out of Atlanta, Georgia. It's minority owned. Typically, they design their products for people of darker skin types and colors, but their products work well for everyone, including me with my olive tone skin. Now let's take a close-up look at my skin after this treatment and applying this oil. You can see it's very smooth, it's very hydrated, it's very elastic, and what we would call a glass skin look. I will put links below for both of these products down in the video description box. You can go to each of their websites, look at these products, decide if they are something you want to try for yourself. But if you're looking for an in-office, professional level anti-aging treatment, this CO2 treatment by NSC, along with this Rose Glo Oil from GloMelanin, you just can't beat it for the type of results you're going to get. And thank you so much for watching and joining me today and helping to support my channel and my work. For even more ways to roll back the clock on skin and body aging, be sure to check out this video I picked out for you next. That said, stay beautiful, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you over on that next video.